10 inputs devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, barcode reader, optical mark recognition or OMR, graphic tablet, and microphone. Number 1. Keyboard. It is used to enter text and it is contain keys for letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as keys for specific functions. Number 2. Mouse. It is a pointing device that controls a cursor and can move and select text, icons, files, and folders. Number 3. Joystick. It is a pointing device are often used to control video games. Number 4. Light pen. It is a light-sensitive pointing device used with CRT monitors to select or modify text on screen. Number 5. Trackball. It is a pointing device similar to mouse. It is rarely used and found in computer games. Number 6. Scanner. Captures images for computer editing and display. Scanners could be black and white only or color. Barcode reader. Number 7. Barcode reader are optical scanners. This can read printed barcodes, decode the data contained in the barcode, and send to a computer. Number 8. Optical mark recognition or OMR. OMR reader or scanner reads pencil or make marks on paper forms. Number 9. Graphic tablet or drawing tablet allow users to hand-draw images. The hand-drawn images are displayed on the computer monitor. And the lastly is number 10. Microphone. It is a device that captures audio.
Hello everyone, especially to my ITF instructor Mr. Jeffrey Obarco, and also to my wonderful classmates. Today, I will be discussing about output devices and their functions. So, what is an output device? An output device is a piece of computer hardware that receives data from a computer and then translates the data into another form. That form may be audio, visual, textual, or hard copy such as printed documents. So, we have two types of peripheral devices. First is the input device, and the second is the output device. The key distinction between an input device and output device is that an input device sends data to the computer, whereas an output device receives data from the computer. For example, using a microphone to record a podcast is an example of using an input device. Listening to the recorded podcast through a connected speaker is an example of output device. So now, let us analyze the functionality of a device. There are 4 different categories of an output device. First is the visual, second is the data, third, print, and fourth is the sound. Each output device example has a specific history, so here I cover specifically how each device works when it became part of the technology history, popular brands on the market selling this device, and a fun fact. The 10 examples of output devices on my list are monitor, printer, headphones, computer speakers, projector, GPS, sound card, video card, braille reader, and a speech-generating device. Number 1. Monitor. A monitor consists of a screen, circuitry, a power supply, buttons to adjust screen settings, and a casing that contains all these components. A monitor displays data from a computer onto a screen so the user can interact with the data via digital interface. Number 3. Headphones. Headphones output audio from a computer through two individual headphones for a single listener. This is also known as earphones. Headphones allow you to listen to audio without disrupting other people in the vicinity. Number 4. Computer speakers. A computer speakers are hardware device that transform the signal from the computer sound card into audio. Speakers create sound using internal amplifiers that vibrate at different frequencies according to data from the computer, and this produces sounds. Number 5. The projector. As its name suggests, this output device projects computer images or video onto a wall or screen, just like what they're using on cinemas. Number 6. The GPS or the Global Positioning System. GPS is a radio-based navigation system that's composed of a sender computer and a receiver. The sender broadcasts signal to 24 satellites that ping to the sender the exact location of the sender computer in the form of latitude and longitude coordinates. The satellites use microwave signals to talk to the GPS, giving information on the location, speed, and number of data. Number 7. The sound card. The sound card controls the output of the sound signals, enabling devices like speakers and headphones to work. The sound card is known as an expansion card, which means it can be added to the motherboard. Although a sound card is not essential to a computer's basic functionality, but you need one if you wish to play games, watch movies, listen to music, and use audio-video conferencing. Number 8. The video card. As with the sound card, the video card is an expansion card that slots into the motherboard. The video card processes images and video, enabling visuals to be seen on display. Most computers have basic video and graphics capabilities built into the computer's motherboard, but if you want to have a faster and more detailed graphics, then a video card is required. Number 9. The braille reader. A braille reader is a peripheral device that enables a blind person to read text displayed on a computer monitor. The text is sent by a computer to the device, where it is translated into braille format and made readable by pushing rounded pins through a flat surface. Braille readers are also called braille displays and come in various sizes. Braille readers come in form of separate devices from a keyboard or as part of a keyboard. Most use piezoelectric technology or electricity generated by mechanical stress to create a single line of text at a time in the form of bass bumps. And now we have a very last on the list, which is the SGD or the speech generating device. SGDs are also known as voice output communication aids, generates text to speech. A user types something and when the command is sent, SGD reads the sentence out loud. So those are the 10 examples of an output devices. Thank you for listening, take care, and God bless.